Okay guys, so I just received what I think is the Crafter's Companion Layout Collection auto ship. This is how it arrived. It's pretty beat up. Hopefully everything inside is okay. Yeah, so we'll see, I guess. I know this is part of auto ship through Crafter's Companion through HSN, I should say, and so I don't know if it's available yet. I know the original collection is always like on super clearance for like 40 or 50 bucks. That one comes with a binder and all these fun things, right? So these are the things that you're going to add in later. Oh my gosh. These envelopes, I've told you guys, that packaging stuff, it releases like really fine particles into the air, especially if you rip it open in a way that gets exposed. Like I thought I was careful right now, and it still released that stuff. I do not want to breathe that. It's really bad. I don't know what it is. It's just fibers. And so for me, I'd rather not have it. Let me see what they called it here. Sorry, I'm facing away from the camera. Celebration card layout. Okay. I don't think I've done a video on the last one, so I will try. But yeah, so let's check it out. But if it is available for some reason, I'll link in the description box with YouTube and HSN. They have an affiliate program, and a lot of times it's embedded in the video or underneath the video title. And sometimes they're in the description box too with the little images. So you guys can check those out. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Thank you guys so much for using those. Honestly, that's what keeps the channel going and me having the ability to stay home and do these videos for you guys. So I super appreciate it. What? Just flew out. Okay, so my little piece of plastic is like floating around. I think it came off of like this kind of thing. Anyway, so layout collection. I'll leave this for you guys if you want to check out that QR code with your phone. There you go. Suppose they have some different tutorials there for you. But celebration. So let's see. We have a cute birthday cake die set. And, you know, you have your cake, you have the candle. It's very cute. I like that the cake has the outline, you know, and then with the inlay, so you can do a little more than if it was just a skeleton die like this one. And then you have the little candle of the skeleton die. Birthday celebrations dies, some balloons, different sizes, very cute. The little gift box that has embossing or maybe some inking, and then like little streamer kind of stuff. And then this one is the congratulations dies, and it looks like it has maybe some wedding rings, some little firework, and then your champagne flute, which is cute because again it also has not an inlay because you can see it cuts its own thing, but you have that layer with your flute, which is very sweet. Acrylic stamp set just for you. Happy birthday, best wishes. You have the cupcake. If I don't have like a million of these cupcakes, Crafter's Companion is always the same design, isn't it? Like the same look. I feel like I have that very many of them. The cute cake with like little candles and stars, balloon bouquet, and your gift. There you go. And again, this is made to go into the binder itself. Now, I feel like whenever I make videos, I put this in the binder. I'm looking at the binder right now, but I think when I make the tutorial, I will then put this stuff in the binder, okay? So we'll do that then. But let's see what papers they included. So we have our pattern papers. And I didn't mention at the top, this is going to be an unboxing, guys. I am like deep into tutorials and Christmas tutorials and all that stuff, and I don't have more time than to just show you what's in it today. I'm sorry, but I will definitely follow up. If not today, you know, very soon, very shortly, okay? So we have like a parchment looking paper. It has like a damask pattern. I don't know if you can see that. The balloons. Very interesting colors. They're like bright colors, but muted. I guess rich, but muted. I don't know. With the stripes there. It's cute. A little light blue with the dots. I feel like on camera it looks more vibrant than it does in real life. It's a little bit muted. I don't know how to explain that. They are single-sided papers, which is great. Little floral. You have this one that's very much like the first one. I mean, a little bit different damask pattern, but it's all faded and grungy and fun. This floral here with some unexpected colors. What do we have? Purple. Interesting patterns, like geometric, but also, again, grungy and different. This one's very pretty with the damask, kind of more of an ivory and brown kind of tones. A little purple with, again, unexpected colorway on that. I know with Crafter's Companion, they're very much into like looking at the color wheel and doing all these combinations that are unexpected, but they still go, right? A little geometric pattern on that one, and then this one with another geometric pattern, in my opinion, with all that kind of distressed edge look. So very different. And then these guys, ooh, that That is a green. That is a green. Let's see, what is it coordinating with the greens that you see over here? I don't know about that. Does that look like anything that's in this paper pack? See, I don't know. And I'm not trying to, you know, because sometimes people will be like, oh, of course, you're going to say something like that. You know, if I see like a diamond press card kit or like any kind of kits, that all coordinates. They don't just throw something in there that's just like, oh, well, they could use it, but it doesn't go. That green is, whew, okay. Beautiful coral. I love that kind of yellow. It's a very muted yellow. A beautiful teal, the dark blue, some purple, and then that green. My goodness. Let's splay this out and see where that green might coordinate. Are you guys seeing it? I'm not seeing it quite yet. Not even with this, like the greenery, I don't know. Even that purple, I don't know, it's more violet. Do you know, maybe with that one, huh? Yeah, I don't know. I would have preferred just white paper or like a cream colored off-white, you know? Okay, well, there you go. We'll see how they use it in the, a little bit in the, ideas here. Okay, so you have your magnetic piece. Of course, I have not taken any of the dies off and stuck them on here because I do feel like they're going to maybe fall off and it's just a binder and I don't want to lose them. So I have not done that. I think that the original one I showed maybe taking it off and then sticking it on that way, you know, taking off the plastic obviously, and then having it on there, but I still leave it on the card. Maybe that's just me being paranoid. This is what you stick your acrylic stamps to, and that's great. You just take the acrylic stamp, take the carrier off the back and stick it on, you know, and it works really well. That is not a problem. It might be, you know, 5-10 years from now when it sticks to it completely, because that's what happens sometimes with acrylic stamps. It just depends on the quality. But sometimes they'll just like fuse to that, right? Which is not great. Cute. A lot of these things, either that die was in the very first box, or maybe the second or third or fourth auto ship. Generally, they go back to the first box. So that's, I appreciate that because maybe that's all you got. Maybe you skipped the other ones, you know. But again, the whole point of this is to tell you, walk you through step by step with numbers, you know, how you're going to cut this, what size to cut that. I've found oopsies in those instructions in the past, and then I kind of showed you guys either how to work around it or oh, hey, this is an accident or a mistake and you want to actually cut it at this size or whatever. We've talked about that. I'm trying to look to see where they use the green. Okay, here's the green. Actually, doesn't that look more muted than the green they included? So yeah, so everything step by step right there. There's the green. There you go. Okay, I just want to see how they were using it. It's more of an accent color. I think that's the teal color. Yeah. So those are some of the ideas. And again, I always love having these things, what we called recipes back in the day, or just a sketch to start from, because sometimes you don't have ideas, you know, you're out of ideas. And it doesn't even have to be this. Like, let's say, well, this one's a little bit harder to do, but you're using the proportions. So this is a square card, and I'm going to put maybe a circle here. It doesn't matter, like a little something here, and then maybe a ribbon back there, and then some kind of die cut that you have. And then up here, maybe it's, you know, pieces of something else, some other kind of bunting, some other kind of something that layers back here. It's just giving you ideas how to proportion your cards, I guess, right? So they look proportional and nice, you know, again, whatever shape, you have some background layers, that strip in the front, and it still works even if it's not exactly the same thing they're showing you. So I do appreciate these things for that reason. That's why I'm allowing every single one of this collection to come in. I really like having things like that. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you're receiving yours. And hopefully you heard last time when I unboxed the Diamond Press watercolor, Mega Watercolor Autoship #1. It came out in November. It was supposed to be a Valentine's set. So something happened there where that one, the Christmas one, was supposed to be the very last one. And I did contact Diamond Press about it. Shane, he said, they're going to try to get that information out to you guys however they can. So if you look in your Autoship, actually, I haven't looked at my Autoship manager. It probably still said love because that's the one that was supposed to go out. But Christmas came out, but they're still going to send the love one out like in December. So they're just going to put another one in there so that you still have it for February. And then everything else should run in the right order. So don't know what happened there. They don't know what happened there. And that's just the info I got. And I want to pass it along to you guys in case you did have that and you didn't hear me talk about it in another video. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.